Hi, my name is Sergey. I am a CEO and founder at WTT Solutions. In this video, we will walk through the billing flow starting from scheduled appointment and ending with claim tracking. The provider begins in the scheduling module, in the calendar view where appointments are displayed by date, time, provider, and client. From this screen, the provider can review the appointment information and move to the timesheet creation step by selecting Create Timesheet. The system opens the timesheet form. Most of the key details are already populated from the appointment, including the provider, service code, date, start time, end time, and time zone. The provider also reviews the location details such as place of service, clinic location, and drive information. Next, the provider completes the clinical part of the timesheet. The clinical session is selected and the system shows the related authorization. Once everything is complete, provider submits the timesheet. After the timesheet is submitted, the system creates a billing entry. The provider navigates to billing entries where the newly created entry appears in the list. The entry includes the service date, time, client, provider, and payer. The provider selects the billing entry and clicks Generate Claims. This starts the claim generation process based on the billing information created from the timesheet. Then the provider starts the claim generation. After the claim is created, the provider opens claims list. Here the submitted claim appears in its current status, service dates, payer amount, and total paid. The provider can also open the action menu to send, resubmit, or review the client history.